Hey Mark, how's it going?
Good. How are you today?
Good.
Good.
Beautiful
Nice.
day.
Yeah, I know we've had some great weather. Oh God.
Well, after the storm of yesterday, all day long and all night.
Yeah, I didn't I got a lot of lightning, but I didn't hear much thunder. I don't know. I didn't. I heard there was lots, but usually Ted's a big indicator for me. He goes crazy. So shut the drapes and he was
There's
okay.
trees down all in Kyle's neighborhood.
Yeah, I know. You were showing me that the other day. So yeah, no, it's when I was hiking yesterday, it was like tornado warnings and this and what are you talking about? It was, oh yeah. So anyway, so we're gonna do a video on six to $700,000 range. We're gonna go over a couple properties, different areas. Little tidbits before we start. Active listings right now for the entire community of Barrie, 576, 71 active listings between six and $700,000. Nine are sold conditionally already. Out of that group of listings accounts for 12% of all active listings. So again, small amounts, right? It's a tight range. Month to date, this year we sold 31, last year 33. Pretty good.
Really?
Yep. So considering the numbers when we did we did our update on May 14th, we saw, holy cow. So
We
we
were
made
down by a lot.
a lot. So, and even seeing some of the conditionals and we looked on the board and yeah, there's a lot of conditionals are coming through now. Inventory sitting in that range that we've kind of had for a while. So we're not really seeing a ton of more listings coming about, which is kind of good, right? So
Yeah,
but the buyer has some choice.
they do. And really right now, I think there's some room to negotiate.
You just told me that there's a lot of people that have aren't jumping the gun right now in a sense and going firm on new properties, which we kind of know. You mentioned a couple minutes ago that, yeah, we want to do this, but they have a conditional offer on, the SPP and they got 2 weeks to firm it. So, wow, even more negotiation power for a buyer out there today, right? If it's going after something that they have an offer on something else and
Mhm.
that's coming due. So, yeah, there could be some good opportunities for some buyers out there. It's my take.
Okay, I'll share a couple listings with you.
Let's go.
So this one's in the south end.
Decent street, decent area.
Yep. And the south end is normally a little bit higher, right, than the north.
Yeah.
Does this show the price here?
No, don't see the price. Go scroll down, maybe. There it is.
618.
Two bedroom though.
Two bed, two bath, 1,154 square feet.
Yeah. I mean, that's kind of decent. I mean, we're seeing that 599 and upper range with that two bedroom.
Ooh, very cute.
Yeah. Not a bad layout.
No, it's not big, but it's not a terrible layout.
It's not a terrible layout. No, it's not. Show's okay. Floors seem good shape.
Well, look at the backyard.
Good sized backyard. Yeah. I hate that style of kitchen. There's
I
hardly any
know.
space.
Yeah, they put that little table there because there's not a lot of room.
No, no. Looks like it's vacant.
It looks like it. Well, it looks like they did a little bit of
Staging.
and cleaning.
Uh-huh.
Looks good, right?
Not bad. Could be some flexibility, but no, I don't think it's a bad starting position right now.
No, bedrooms are big.
Yeah, bedrooms are big. Yeah. And that's what they with two bedrooms, right? Like the layout, the bedrooms usually a bit big. You have decent living space.
Basement's finished. The basement's done.
Yeah. With a three-piece down there. And what's good about that area, lots of schools, right? Two or three schools to choose from.
Yeah, it's got some of the best schools too in the area.
Does Hewitt's Creek's in that area. There's that new high school in that area. There's St. Gabriel's, you got three schools within all of walking distance
Yeah,
from,
well,
from that location,
yes.
right? And real quick access to 400. That's the beauty part. And Mapleview, has been extended over the last few years, so there's 4 lanes, so it doesn't get bottleneck up like it used to at corner Huronia, Mapleview. So it flies, traffic goes pretty quick.
Yeah. So,
Um,
but I mean, for 618, it's
not,
cute, move-in ready. It's not bad.
not bad. No, I don't think it's bad.
No, I don't think so either. So then the statistics in the neighborhood.
I always tell everybody, this is important. This is on Realtor. This is why we do this. Everyone that's looking on Realtor should be looking at these. It tells you a lot of lots of good things.
Yeah. So it shows
Cool.
Hughes Creek, Hyde Park, St. Gabriel.
And then the high schools, I think, what's the new high school?
I don't know what it's called actually.
Yeah, I was there the other day watching Avery play. Anyway, but yeah, I mean, great.
Well, they're 9.2 out of 10 for schools
Yeah,
and daycare, high schools, like everything's around there.
St. Pete's is around the corner. Like everything is there. Like
Yeah.
you could live in that area and watch your kids grow up. Like it wouldn't without being bust, really.
Yeah.
Right. So pretty ideal that way.
Average family income, 57,000, family, or
Yeah.
for individual family, 138. That's kind of low.
Today's standards will say it is.
Yeah, in today's standards.
Far.
Well, compared to some of the other areas we looked at.
Yes, for sure. For sure.
But like you said, the bulk is family. Look at that. Huge.
Correct. Correct. And look at the kids, like look at the age. You got some kids going in the living in those areas. It's a family neighborhood.
Yes,
That's what it is. Right.
definitely. Yep.
Parks, school.
82% owner, only 17% renter.
Yeah. See, and I expect a little bit more for renters, so that's even better.
There's not a lot of renters down there. They're all in the north, man.
Well, that area for sure.
85% single family, 0.9 multi, 11% single person. What's multi-person?
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if that's good.
This is the education levels. Not bad.
No. No,
And
no.
this is the commute. The public transit there isn't bad, but I mean, you need a car there.
I just think you need a car in general, Barry, right?
I think you do, yeah.
To get around.
92% English, 6% English and French, 1.2 other.
Yep.
So this is a good area anyway, right? So
Yeah.
now the next one I picked was Red Maple Lane. And these are like a new build.
They are. I like the layouts. This will be the first time you picked all 2 bedrooms.
Oh, I didn't. No, I didn't.
Okay. This
I didn't
one's
mean to.
it's okay. So
No, the next one is a fully detached.
all right. Great area.
I
New.
wanted to show the new builds too, because Red Maple Lane is it in the south end as well?
It's right off of Mapleview into urban towns, built those, maybe 4. They're still building in that area. I've sold on Red Maple. I like the street. I love the layouts of these townhouses. They're big. A young demographic, young families live there. Great layouts. There is a pottle, so you got to pay a fee. I think Stevens paying 130 a month. So for garbage removal and snow maintenance and sanding and salting, etc. But
Oh, these pictures are not giving me a feel.
no, I know, I can see. So this almost looks like a bit of a tenanted home. I don't know. Too much stuff.
Well, I'm not getting a good feel, eh?
No, because we can't make heads or tails of the flow. And so
No. I didn't want to look at it ahead of time. Okay, so we'll find
right.
another one, but we'll go to this one. So 241 Letitia. They're saying it's a 3 and 2,
Mhm. What's the price?
fully detached,
Move down. 658.
658.
All right.
can rent the basement. It's a separate entrance.
No one's renting basements today. That's for sure. Not a bad layout. Only in kitchen.
New kitchen. Bedroom.
I think I would have cleaned the bedroom up a little bit.
I think it's tenanted upstairs.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. No one's buying tenanted properties. They're just getting missed. They're getting
Living
over.
room.
It's tough sell. But I mean, if this was vacant, decent property.
Yeah.
The biggest hindrance, as you know, is it's rented, right?
The basement's vacant.
Yeah,
So if you wanted to live in the basement and keep the person upstairs,
yeah, doable.
it's doable. There's a side entrance totally right here.
Cute little apartment.
It's cute,
Mhm.
right?
Yeah.
And that's 658, fully detached, brick.
Price is good. It's just the tenant issue is the problem. There's no way this is legal because I don't see any freaking bedroom. I don't see any windows.
It's not legal. So
Yeah.
there is a window in one of the bedrooms. This is not a bedroom. This is part of the kitchen here.
Okay.
See, there's a little window there.
Ooh, she's tiny.
Tiny. Bathroom. It's another little window over there.
Yeah, yeah.
Very nice yard. Big yard.
Yeah, and it's a Letitia Heights, not a, again, we've talked about the area. It's an okay area, right? It's got a stigma, as you know, but it's coming around. Hey,
Mm-hmm.
your dollars go a little bit further up there.
Lots
So
of parking.
lots of parking, which is plus. So, a buyer buying that, I would put an investment. If you did need the rental income, I'd be putting an investment in the basement, make it legalized. Those windows are. Whew,
Yeah,
hardly-
I would too, because you see, the issue here is some people need, and I want to talk about that too, is that like even my client right now, if he has a rental income, he can qualify for a mortgage.
Absolutely.
You
Can't
know
with
what I
some.
mean? So it's kind of important if you have that ability, it might be the difference between getting a house,
Oh, 100%. 100%.
right?
Yep.
So something like this is doable to do that.
100%.
So I'm going to go down over here. And I wanted to show you one up in the north.
Okay.
So one thing you guys can do too when you're checking this, you can do a filter for the price. So you can go like maximum between 6 and then 7. Right? And then you can, and when you go on realtor.ca, you'll see it's ridiculous because they've doubled up the listings mark.
I know. Because of
So
the boards. The variance.
yes, people have to realize that what happens is the Toronto board, you're going to see the Toronto board listing and the Barrie board. So it looks like there's actually double than what there is.
Yeah.
So 699.9 on Hickling Trail, fully detached.
Decent layout.
Hmm?
I like that model, that model. It's got lots of room. I always like
Well,
that.
what I don't like about it is, so yeah, but here is all windows, very bright, but the stairs going downstairs are right in front of it.
Yeah.
It's a weird setup. This is really cute.
Yeah, I always like that layout.
And it's
Oh,
done well, but
very
it's
good.
Hickling Trail is also
A lot of rentals up there.
a lot. So that's why we're gonna look at the statistics here. Cute though, right?
Shows well presented.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Is it 3 bedroom, Dan? Usually that model's a 2 and 1.
Yeah, I think it's I'm gonna check. Hold on. See the way the stairs are at the front? That's why you have that giant window there.
Yeah.
So if you wanted to do a basement apartment here, it's very difficult, eh?
Yeah, well,
Because you have this whole thing here, this
yeah,
whole big open area between the both units. The yard's pretty big.
yeah, no, the house shows well. I think the price, I don't think the price is that bad. If it's a 3 bed, I think they're right in the money. If it's a 2, usually that model's a 2-in-1.
I'm gonna tell you right now.
Um,
2-in-1,
yeah,
2 bath.
it shows well, right? I just don't love the area for the amount of rentals that are in that area.
Well,
That's,
that's what we're gonna look at the statistics now.
folks, when you're looking at the north end, you got to keep that in mind.
Yes.
Lots of college students are renting in that area because it's
And
close.
actually the schools really aren't that close there.
Oh, no.
There's no school right there. It's 8.5. Eastview Secondary. So there's a high school close by. St. Joseph's separate school, but a public school is not right there.
No, I don't know which, the Barrie North maybe. I don't know. It's high school, but no.
That's a high school. Yeah, that's what I mean. I don't know. It's there's some restaurants and stuff. So here's the statistics up there. That way we get a feel for both neighborhoods, right?
Yep.
Average income 45,000, family 111.
Yep.
Populate, sorry?
A big drop from the south end. We've seen what 136, I think.
Yes, and 67 or something.
Yep.
Population 20 to 34 is the biggest, and 35 to 49, but that's the renters, right?
Renters,
The
right?
students.
Students, that's a thing. And I'm telling you, folks, you don't want to be around student population.
Okay,
Remember,
so look at this. Owners 63, renters 36.9.
huge. I mean, that's one of the highest areas in the community.
Highest areas in the community.
It is.
It is. So you saw in the south, you're getting a townhouse for that
Yep.
price or a bit lower.
Yes.
But here it's fully detached, 2+1 bed, 61. Well, see, 15% multi-person, which would tell me they're like non-related people living in one house. Student rentals, maybe?
Maybe, I don't know. We gotta research that a bit more to see that, but it's possible, but I don't think so.
Education level, commute. So
They got,
you do have a lot more people. See, the car thing went down 86%. Mostly in Barrie, they're over 90 everywhere.
because all the students are usually public transportation or hence they live really, really close to that school.
Or no cars at all. Yeah,
Yeah.
English only 93%, French and English 55, 5.5, sorry, and other 1%.
Yeah. No, so that
So
buyer, it's got a bit of choice. Pick the right area. I'm big on the south and east, southeast, southwest area more than anything. Detached, what, over in Letitia? You get some value
well,
there.
you know what's here's the one I wanted to show you and I couldn't find. 3-bed Arda area.
You sure that's Narda?
Yep. I bought on Michael Crescent before. They're saying it's East Bayfield.
It is East Bayfield.
Is it? What's the one off Eaglestone? It's a guy's name. I can't remember the name. I bought there.
There's,
Can't
well,
remember the name.
Hawkins, there's Dunnett, there's.
No, they're like a whole bunch of semis or townhouses in a row.
Oh, that's that's probably by the school, over by the school area, but.
I can't remember the name of it. Anyway, this one's 629, 3-bed, 2-bath, 57 Michael Crescent. This is the north, but this is like north central. This is by Bayfield Street, right?
It's not a bad street.
It's better than Hickling area,
So,
right?
100%. Got a lot of stuff. For 629, price isn't bad.
It's not a bad sized living room there.
No, this got a lot of big furniture.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
And there's an eating area in the kitchen, isn't there?
think that model.
Yeah, there is, right there. That's a
So,
full-size table,
yeah, it is. Yeah,
older kitchen,
yeah.
not a bad size.
Size is not bad, no. Price point's okay. They just got a lot of stuff.
Yeah,
They
that
got,
bedroom isn't a bad size either.
it's not. They should have really cleared out a ton of stuff to
I
show that
know.
they
Basement's done too.
the stuff. That's why it's not selling. That if that was cleaned up a little bit more and decluttered, that'd be gone by now. That
Yeah, it's
price,
not a bad area.
it's not.
So
So
I want to show, which I'm hoping I'm gonna get here, the statistics just over from Hickling over. Let's see the difference, because they're both the north. So people
yeah,
have to keep in mind, near the college and the hospital, everybody wants to be there. They think it's great, but it's not necessarily great.
it's not. Stay away from the area. I
Average
don't.
income 50.9 and 120, so that just went up.
Yeah,
Population 15 and 89. We
very.
still have a lot of younger,
Me too.
but well, the 35 to 49 is a lot closer
Yeah,
than it was in the other one. Ooh, 69% owners, 30% renters,
high rental area.
still
Still.
renters.
Yep.
66.9 single family, 25.5, 24.5 single person, 1.9 multifamily, 6.7 multi-person. Ranged education. There's a big range there of
Yep.
public transit. Well, see, 93.8 car, everybody has a car, but public transit is 2.6. Not everybody, a lot of the students or renters don't have two vehicles, right?
No. No. I was shocked in the rental area. That's a lot of rentals.
I was shocked too.
Higher than I expected, to be honest.
Mm-hmm.
Like this material, give us a like, have questions on any of the Barrie real estate listings, give myself and Ann a call and follow for more updates on the Barrie and Simcoe County real estate. I think we've covered off a couple things.
Well, I think it gives people an idea of between 6 and 7 what you're getting.
Yeah, listings, type, not a lot of inventory as a whole, sells relatively well. Southeast, southwest areas sell much better. And we've
Low
covered,
sixes, you're getting 2 bedrooms, Mark.
well, low sixes you are for sure. 3 bedrooms, you're 635 and up, some sevens depending, right?
Yeah. If you
Size.
want like low sixes, it's 2.
Yeah, or the house needs a lot of work, one or the other, right? If it's a 3, but okay, excellence. All right,
Right.
very nice. See you.
Thanks. You too.